How Lay's chips are made in Pakistan and USA factories. Factory BT's few snacks are as universally loved as Lay's chips. Crispy, golden, and bursting with flavor. They're a household name from Karachi to California. But what really happens behind those factory doors to turn a simple potato into a perfectly salted chip? Let's go behind the scenes at Lay's production plants in both Pakistan and the USA to discover the step-by-step journey from farm to packet. It all begins in the potato fields. Lay's only uses selected varieties of potatoes with high dry matter and low sugar content, perfect for crisping. In Pakistan, farms in Punjab and Sindh grow thousands of tons each season, while in the USA, large-scale farming operations across states like Idaho, Wisconsin, and Michigan supply Lay's factories year-round. After harvesting, the potatoes are washed, sorted, and loaded into trucks. They reach the factory in just a few hours to retain freshness. At the factory intake zone, potatoes are unloaded and go through a rigorous cleaning and inspection process. High-pressure washers remove dirt, while rotating brushes polish the skins. Next, high-speed optical sorters remove any defective or green potatoes. Then comes peeling. Large automated machines gently scrape the skins off using friction rollers, followed by another round of washing to ensure complete cleanliness. The clean potatoes are now ready for slicing. Razor-sharp rotating blades cut them into uniform thin slices, just a fraction of a millimeter thick. This step is crucial, as consistent thickness ensures even frying and that signature Lay's crunch. Now the slices are passed through a cold water rinse. This removes excess starch to prevent stickiness and helps the chips fry to a light golden color. From here, they move straight into the fryer. Stainless steel conveyor belts carry the slices through massive vats of hot vegetable oil, maintained at precise temperatures. The chips puff and crisp within 3 minutes. The timing, oil temperature, and moisture levels are all digitally monitored to maintain uniformity. Once fried, they re-lifted out and sent through doiling conveyors that use gentle air currents to remove excess oil. They cool slightly before entering the flavoring drum, a giant rotating barrel where each chip is evenly dusted with iconic seasonings. Whether it's masala in Pakistan or sour cream and onion in the US, the seasoning is added in exact amounts by computer-controlled dispensers to ensure every batch tastes the same every time. Next is quality control. Automated vision systems inspect chips for shape, color, and texture. Any burnt or broken chips are blown away using puffs of air. Factory workers also hand-inspect samples regularly to test flavor and crispness. The perfect chips now head to packaging. They're dropped into high-speed, multi-head weighers that measure precise portions and release them into bags below. These bags are then heat-sealed in milliseconds. Each packet is printed with batch codes and expiry dates, then placed into cartons, sealed, and loaded onto pallets for distribution. In Pakistan, Lay's is produced by PepsiCo Pakistan in their Multan and Lahore plants, while in the US, state-of-the-art facilities like the one in Frankfurt, Indiana, or Plano, Texas handle millions of bags per day. Despite the distance, the technology, standards, and taste are the same, controlled down to the last detail. So next time you open a bag of Lay's and hear that satisfying crackle, remember, it's the sound of a global system of farming, science, automation, and culinary perfection coming together. This is Factory BTS, uncovering the hidden world behind your favorite snacks.